In previous videos, I've shown you how magnesium metal and zinc metal react with hydrochloric acid in an oxidation reduction reaction. I'm going to show it to you real quick again, and then we'll show you how you can actually turn these things into a wet cell. So zinc and hydrochloric acid makes hydrogen gas and zinc chloride aqueous. Two electrons are moving from the zinc, going to the hydrogen to make hydrogen gas. And we can see that here very quickly. Just a little bit of zinc, a little bit of hydrogen, and we can see this is just bubbling away. Oops, here we go. See the bubbles? That's hydrogen gas. All right, again, the electrons are being transferred because the hydrogen ion, H+, is actually hitting the zinc, and that's when electrons move. Now, if we set it up so that we can make them go through wires, we can get a wet cell out of it. So here I have my zinc electrode here in a zinc sulfate electrolyte. And in here on the other side of the porous cup, remember we need this porous cup to make a complete circuit, I am going to put some hydrochloric acid. And what I have here is a carbon electrode. Carbon is a beautiful conductor of electricity. This is the same stuff that's in your pencils. They don't have lead in your pencils. And we stick it in and we can see, look at that, we have electricity. Because what's happening again, same reaction that's happening right here, except for we're forcing the electrons to go through wires, which makes it a wet cell. Two electrons are moving away and coming through this wire, going through the galvanometer, making this deflect, going through this wire, coming here and hitting the hydrochloric acid solution. And I can't show it to you, but if we look very closely, there are actually little bubbles on the carbon electrode. So this is another example of a wet cell. Now sometimes what we can actually do is make the wet cell actually do something other than make the galvanometer deflect. In this case, what I'm going to do is let me review the magnesium reaction. So there's a little bit of hydrochloric acid left in there, and you can see the magnesium just bubbling away and steaming. Okay, so the same reaction is happening again. And we got magnesium giving electrons to hydrogen ion to make hydrogen gas. Okay.